Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to deposit money from our bank account to our Roqqu account. So for us to deposit money, we go straight to our Roqqu app, open the app. Once you open the app, so we already have 1,111. So let us deposit another 1,000 and see. So all you have to do is to touch deposit, then type the amount you want to deposit. So I'm depositing 1,000 Naira for instance, and I'll click continue. So the only available option is bank transfer. So we are going to touch bank transfer. Okay, yes, I agree. Then you can see the name of the bank is Naira Payment Service Bank. Then the name of the account is Roqqu Nigeria Limited, account number, then narration. So first thing is to copy this, then go to your bank app. So once your bank app opens up, go to once your bank app opens up, okay, go to send money. So first thing first, paste the account number. If it doesn't get the bank, so touch search select bank and look for the bank. Okay, I think it's Naira Payment Services Bank. This should be it. Okay, yes. Roqqu Nigeria Limited, yes. Then click confirm. So type the amount you want to send, which is 1,000. Then you're going to go back to your Roqqu app. Look at this narration. Ensure you copy this. Without this, you won't receive the money. You can see it at the top here. This is the key that shows where the money is going to. So if you do not put it, or if you miss it, the money will go to another account or it may be declined. So I'm going to paste that code here now, and then I'm going to click next. So I'm going to click confirm. Okay, put my password. Okay, this is complete. So I'll go back to my Roqqu and click I have paid. Go back home and that is it. So let's just refresh. Deposit is successful. You can check history. You are going to see wallet deposit of 1,000 Naira. Now that the deposit is successful, all we have to do is to click buy. So I want to buy wiki card again. So let me top up my wiki card with just maybe 2,000 Naira. So I'm going to click maximum, use max. So that is going to give me 10 million wiki cards. So I'll click continue. I'll click confirm. And voila, it is done. So this is how you deposit and buy on Roqqu. Then when you finish buying, when you buy anything, when you come home, you're going to see that everything here is going to be showing 0 Naira, nothing will show here. So if you want to see your money, touch wallet. You're going to see your money, everything you have will show here. And then when you scroll under, you're going to see all the coins you have and the Naira equivalent. So in case after buying and you see here reading 0, do not panic. So that is how you see coins, what you have, what you've bought, and what you're yet to buy. Okay, so also when you sell your crypto and you want to withdraw back, you're going to see whatever you sell is going to appear here. So it is whatever is here you can withdraw to your bank account. Also, we are going to make a new video on how to add your bank account so that you can easily withdraw to your bank account whenever you make a sale.